Now let's talk about what is contingency theory. It states that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to management and organizational leadership. It states that the best course of action is contingent upon the internal and external condition facing an organization. There are key principles of contingency theory. First is situational variables, factors such as organization size, the task complexity, the external environment, and the individual characteristics of employees can all influence which management approach is most effective. Second is fit and adaptation. Effective organization must adapt their strategies, structures, and processes to align with the current situational variables. And third is no universal solution. There is no single best way to manage or lead an organization. What works in one context may not work in another. Thank you and happy learning.